Welcome to English Story Journey. The room was quiet when I told you to stop, to sit down, to breathe, to close your eyes. But I could feel your restlessness even through the silence, your heart beating with questions you never dared to ask. So I asked the first one for you. Are you living your life or merely existing in it? Most people don't even realize the difference. They walk through their days half asleep, scrolling endlessly, laughing at meaningless videos, dreaming but never acting, wishing but never moving. They want the world, but they don't want to take the first step toward it. You want things too. A peaceful mind, a better life, good English, confidence, money, a business of your own, a future where you wake up excited instead of exhausted. But let me ask you, what have you done today to build that life? Are you still scrolling? Still making excuses? Still hoping tomorrow will magically fix what today is breaking? Still letting fear guide your choices? You might not want to hear it, but I'll tell you anyway. This is your life. Right now, this moment, and you don't get a second one. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm not here to give fake motivation. I'm here to hold a mirror in front of you so you can see the truth you've been avoiding. And the truth is simple. Time is your life. Don't kill it. Time is not something you waste. Time is something that is slowly wasting you. Every hour you lose to meaningless scrolling is a piece of your life you can never get back. Every "I'll do it tomorrow" is a lie you tell yourself to feel safe. Your parents are getting older. Your dreams are collecting dust. Your energy is fading, even though you pretend it isn't. Ask yourself, what did you do yesterday that moved you forward? What about the day before? Tomorrow? Next week? Will it all be the same? Because someday will never come. Only results matter, not excuses. Start valuing your hours like gold. Plan your day. Cut 1 hour of social media. Read, learn, build something. Time will either become your greatest ally or your deadliest enemy. You choose. Stop blaming. Start building. Your life is your responsibility. Not your family's, not society's, not destiny's. Yours. I didn't get support. I didn't get money. I didn't get the right environment. Excuses, all of them. Look at the world's greatest achievers. Many started with nothing. No money, no guidance, no privilege. They built everything from scratch, with fire and hunger. The moment you stop blaming is the moment you start winning. Write your problems down. Write solutions next to them. Then start, even if it's tiny. You are not a victim. You are simply not using your power. The comfort zone is a silent prison. Your daily routine feels easy, comfortable, familiar. But that comfort is the invisible knife slowly cutting your dreams apart. Growth lives outside comfort. Fluency, confidence, success, wealth, they all require discomfort. Want to speak English? Speak, even if you make mistakes. Want to start a business? Start, even if you fail 10 times. People will laugh. Let them. They laughed at every great person before they applauded them. A seed cannot become a tree unless it breaks through the soil. You too must break through your habits. Do one uncomfortable thing every day. Fail proudly. Fail forward. "I'll do it later" is one of the biggest lies. You don't mean later. You mean never. People who win don't wait for motivation. They act now, even when scared, even when unprepared. You want to learn English? Do it now. Exercise? Now. Start something? Now. Later becomes next week, next month, next year, then regret. Set a 10-minute timer. Begin. Not perfectly, just begin. One action today beats 1,000 plans for tomorrow. Stop thinking, start doing. Thoughts are your prison. You plan endlessly, learn endlessly, prepare endlessly, but you never take action. You want to start something big? Then move. Thoughts create fear. Action destroys it. A man who reads 50 books on swimming but never jumps into the water will never learn. Stop drowning in thoughts. Let your hands work. Let your legs move. Let your life move. Be that person. Every group has one person who rises above the rest, who becomes great, who proves everyone wrong. Why not you? Be the one who wakes early while others sleep, who studies when others party, who works when others waste time, who believes when others doubt. Dress like success. Walk like success. Live like success. Show results instead of talking. You versus you. Your greatest enemy isn't outside, it's inside. The lazy you, the fearful you, the distracted you, the comfortable you. Every day you choose which version wins. The wolf you feed is the wolf that grows. Feed the disciplined one. Train your willpower. Motivation fades. Feelings lie. Discipline stays. If you follow your moods, you will never build anything meaningful. Willpower is doing the right thing even when you don't want to. Build it slowly. Choose one hard task. Do it daily. Reward yourself. Your life changes the day you learn to control yourself. Lesson 9. Comparison is destroying your confidence. You compare your entire life to someone else's 15-second highlight reel. You don't see their sleepless nights, their failures, their pain. Focus on your journey. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Unfollow people who make you feel small. Inspiration is healthy. Comparison is poison. Don't take advice from those who haven't achieved anything. People love giving opinions. Most of them are useless. If someone hasn't walked the path, don't take directions from them. Listen only to those ahead of you. Respect everyone. Follow only the wise.
Pick yourself. Don't wait to be chosen. This world won't clap for you until you succeed. Start your work even without approval. Believe in your abilities. Create your own opportunities. The world cannot ignore someone who shows up consistently. No risk, no story. Safe lives are boring. Legendary lives are risky. The people you admire took risks, jumped, failed, tried again. Speak up even if your voice shakes. Apply even if you fear rejection. Start even if you feel unready. One risk today can change 10 years of your life. The clock is ticking. Life won't wait for you to feel ready. Every moment you delay is a moment gone forever. One day you'll wake up older and realize your dreams died because you waited too long. Regret is far more painful than failure. Your time is now. Nobody cares, and that's your freedom. People have their own problems. Stop waiting for sympathy. If nobody cares, you're free. Free to try, fail, learn, rise. Cry if you must, but rise afterward. Live as if no one is watching because no one is. Why not now? Why wait? What will change tomorrow? Nothing. If you can't start today, you won't magically start later. Take one small step right now. It might begin your new life. If you don't like your life, create a new version.
You're not a tree. You're not stuck. Change your habits. Change your environment. Change your mindset. Life is your canvas. Rewrite it. Expectations are a prison. Many people live miserable lives just to fit into society's expectations. But you weren't born to fulfill others' dreams. You were born to live your own. Break free. Walk your own path, even if you walk alone. Your pain can be your power. Don't hide your suffering. Pain can either break you or build you. Let it make you wiser, stronger, sharper. You survived everything life threw at you. How can you call yourself weak? You are becoming something powerful. Starve your distractions. Two wolves live inside you, distraction and focus. The one you feed wins. Starve distraction. Turn off your phone. Say no to useless activities. Cut toxic company. Feed focus. Read, work, learn, build. Just 1 year of discipline can change your entire life. Life owes you nothing. Life rewards those who show up, not those who complain. Don't wait for miracles, create them. Stop expecting ease. Start demanding more from yourself. Fight for the life you want. And now, your moment of truth. Maybe right now you're broken, tired, lost, confused, alone. Maybe life feels overwhelming. Maybe nothing is working. But everything will be okay. Not because life is easy, but because you are stronger than you think. You're not finished. Your story isn't over. The tunnel may be long, dark, and cold, but there is light. And that light is you. Find your dream, protect it, chase it, work for it, grow every day. You have no idea how powerful you really are. You are a storm waiting to rise. And one day, people will ask, where did this version of you come from? And you will answer, I came from the fire. I came from pain. I came from rock bottom, and I made it. So wipe your tears, lift your head, take the first step. Your future is waiting. Your greatness is waiting. Your dream is waiting. And it's time to go get it.